Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to rename the account name in WhatsApp account. So get started. I can say now open the WhatsApp. I can say now going to the three dot option. Now click from setting option. I can say now I click from pen tool option. Now select. Now click from name. Now remove the old name. Now choose from name. Now click from save. That it's. I can say already name the account name in WhatsApp in mobile phone is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.